Hi everybody, it's Adam.
And Petri.
Here today to do a little lesson about the words not want.
Not want. Okay.
So anyway, here we go. Are you ready for this?
Oh, I think so. Let's go.
All right, here we go. So I was wondering, Petri, if you wanted to play ball with me. Arr! Petri, what's wrong? Use your words, buddy. What's the matter?
I don't want the ball.
Oh, you do not want the ball. Not want. You can use your words to say that.
Huh?
Yeah, you can say, I do not want the ball. And that will help me know the ball is not your favorite right now.
Oh, let's try again.
You don't have to cry. Just use your words. Petri, do you want to play ball?
I do not want the ball.
Ooh, I saw your head shaking. That means no. And you said, I do not want the ball. Not want.
I think I get it. Let's try again.
Okay. I have some of my Sour Patch candies.
Here, let me try them.
Oh, my buddy, are you okay? Do you want some more?
No, I do not want sour candy.
I'm sorry. You do not want sour candy. You would rather have something better.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I hear you. We will try to find something better. I'm having hot dogs tonight, and look at this. I'm going to put some mustard on it. Oh, don't worry. You can just use your words.
Oh, I do not want mustard.
No mustard for you. That is not what you want. Okay, we will put it away. Well, how about mayonnaise?
Yay, I like that.
Okay, you really wanted mayonnaise. You can have mayonnaise. It's a little different. I wouldn't put it on hot dogs either.
I'm kind of a weird bird.
You can be a weird bird. It's okay. When you use your words and you say, I do not want something, it helps people know what you do not want to have. But you said Sour Patch, not want, but you did want mayonnaise.
Yep, that's the one.
Okay, I'm so glad you got what you wanted. Thanks for using your words, and thanks for learning about not want.
Bye.